Being at Pioneer helped me recognize that there's a place for everyone. You shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
The professors here know what they're talking about, and they've been doing this a very long time.
Don't be afraid to take that first step to get into the door of a career path that you really want to do.
I came and toured, and I talked to some students that were in medical labs, and they got to telling me what they wanted to do in the future, how they wanted to be travel nurses, surgeons, all the things that they would have to go to college for. That just inspired me to see the opportunities that Pioneer had to offer for not only people that want to learn trades, but also want to go on to college and to get that experience beforehand.
Ever since my 7th grade year, when I had my first Achilles and ankle injury from doing wrestling, I knew I wanted to do something related to like sports sciences. I would never have gotten the experience that I have now just staying at my high school.
Pioneer prepared me a lot for my career in many ways, and it really helped you turn from, a teenager into a young adult and kind of prepare you for what was to come in the future between college and other things like that.
The experiences that I got to have helped me figure out what I wanted to do in my career. So while I was a student at Pioneer, I had the opportunity to do job shadowing and got to kind of narrow that down. The rigor of the coursework was better from Pioneer and helped me better prepared to succeed in college.
Coming to Pioneer has helped me a lot because I am more ready going into nursing school. I've learned medical terminology, I've learned hands-on skills.
The biggest thing was for me, especially as a freshman and sophomore in college, a lot of these kids were learning things that I already learned. So I was kind of one step ahead of everybody, and at that time, as they were learning, I was able to kind of apply it into clinical rotations and skills.
It's a lot more centralized on getting what you need to do in class done and like making sure you understand everything while we have the time in school to do it.
I had that extra knowledge, but I also was able to graduate with significant college credit such that it helped me have priority for scheduling.
At Pioneer, I have gotten STNA certified, phlebotomy certified, and we're getting our EKG certifications right now. Being able to do college classes, I know the pace, I know what is expected of me from professors.
All of those credits that I have go towards college. It either shortens or completes all those prereqs that I have to get done.
I'm going to North Central in the fall to attend the nursing program.
After high school, I plan to go to college at the University of Dayton for 4 years to get my undergraduate in exercise and movement science. If you know what you want to do in your life, make sure that you take those steps, take every opportunity you can get.
Even if it doesn't seem like it's going to be something useful in the future, things turn out to be that way more often than you expect.
Carry yourself to the value that you have. Always keep your goals in mind.